Hook, ever wondered if you can use your Relay card with CashApp? It's a question that's been popping up more and more in online forums and social media groups. Context: Relay, with its sleek design and unique features, has become a popular choice for those seeking a convenient and secure way to manage their finances. CashApp, on the other hand, is a widely used mobile payment app that offers a variety of financial services. But can these two platforms work together seamlessly? Section 1. Understanding Relay and CashApp. Relay. Briefly explain what Relay is and its key features. Highlight the benefits of using a Relay card, such as cashback rewards, travel perks, and security measures. CashApp. Provide a concise overview of CashApp and its functionalities. Discuss the popularity of CashApp and its appeal to users. Section 2. The compatibility question. Direct answer. The short answer is no, Relay cards are not directly compatible with CashApp. Explanation. Delve into the technical reasons behind this incompatibility. Discuss the underlying payment networks and protocols used by Relay and CashApp. Comparison. Compare the payment methods and features offered by Relay and CashApp to highlight their differences. Section 3. Workarounds and alternatives. Using a third-party platform. Explore the possibility of using a third-party platform or service to bridge the gap between Relay and CashApp. Provide examples of such platforms and explain how they can be used. Peer-to-peer transfers. Discuss the option of using peer-to-peer transfer services to send money from your Relay card to a CashApp user. Highlight the potential limitations and fees associated with this method. Alternative payment methods. Suggest other payment methods that might be more suitable for your needs, such as using a debit card or bank transfer. Section 4. Future possibilities. Potential changes. Speculate on whether there might be future developments or changes that could allow for direct compatibility between Relay and CashApp. Discuss factors that could influence such changes. Staying informed. Encourage viewers to stay updated on the latest news and announcements from both Relay and CashApp. Suggest reliable sources for information. Conclusion. Recap. Summarize the key points discussed in the video, emphasizing the incompatibility between Relay and CashApp. Final thoughts. Offer your final thoughts on the topic and provide any additional insights or recommendations. Call to action. Encourage viewers to share their experiences or ask questions in the comments section. Outro. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.